Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem a game code on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the store. This is the shopping bag icon. Double check you're choosing the correct account now, and then wait for the shop to load. If this is your first time using the shop on your device, choose Next, then scan the QR code shown with your phone's camera and follow the link. It should open your browser, and you'll either need to sign in or confirm it's you. You can also choose the checkbox to skip this next time if you want. The store should now automatically load, and you need to scroll down in the menu on the left to the Redeem Code option and choose this. You can now enter the game code you have, and then select OK. You'll now see a preview of what you will be redeeming, so if you're happy, select Redeem, and it should then say thank you. Choose Close, and it should say a virtual game card has been added if it's a game. Select OK, and now your game will download and install. This could take a while depending on your download speed, but once it's done, you can play it from here. That's how to redeem a game code on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.